Welcome again to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is creamy potato bake, or dauphinois potatoes if you're posh. As normal, a full list of ingredients can be found in the description box below, or they're on screen now. Okay, first let's prepare the potatoes. Simply using a sharp knife, cut into thin slices. About 2 mm thickness should do, and they should look something like this. Next, you put the potato slices in a suitably sized bowl. Add the garlic and salt and pepper to taste. Follow this with the cream and the milk and thoroughly mix together, making sure all the potato pieces are well coated. When my wife saw me making this recipe for the first time, she asked me if it was easy. I said it's so easy an idiot could make it. She said that's handy because an idiot is making it. Charming. Anyway, I digress. When the potato slices are well covered in the milk and cream mixture, transfer them into a suitably sized oven-proof dish, as you see here. Then pour the remaining mixture over the top. Then cover with aluminium foil and it's off to 180°C oven for 30 minutes. When the 30 minutes are up, simply remove from the oven. Remove the foil and using a sharp knife spear the potatoes to make sure they cook. If the potatoes are a bit hard, just simply put the cover back on and put them back in the oven for a further 10 minutes. And when the potatoes are cooked, simply sprinkle over the cheese, put it back in the oven for a further 30 minutes until piping hot and the cheese is nice and brown. How hard can that be? We hope you enjoyed this recipe. Feel free to subscribe, share and like. And hopefully we'll see you soon again on the next one. Bye for now.